link in the description below.
Hey, see.
If you are about to buy Zoom Meeting Pro and you see this price, stop right there. Click the exclusive link in the description below.
Yes, okay. This is a video made by AI, but this is true. It's not AI, but it is true. Here, my face. If you want to buy Zoom Meeting Pro, you can see. You just come into your Zoom, click on Update to Pro. On your card, you install the Coupet add-on on on your Chrome or your browser, and just click on apply coupon, and you can see I can have at least 30% for your payment. But when you text me, I make sure to get the activation for you less than 100 US dollar. So for more than 5 years from 2019, I work with Zoom and activate Zoom account for hundreds of people. You can trust me. Thank you for this video. Text me on WhatsApp and I will give you free all my coupon that I have. Bye bye.